Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2023 model Peugeot 208 PureTech Allure Premium Plus that does come complemented in the stunning Vertigo blue paintwork. It does house your 1.2 petrol engine and manual transmission, making it the ideal nippy city upgrade with a stylish edge. Top features do include enhanced visibility with your LED headlights with your distinctive tooth design, 16-inch alloy wheels, and for further protection, power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the luxurious part leather trim offers style and comfort with access to your central power outlets. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel, access to your central touch display, and that luxurious feel with your part leather trim. And to seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your Peugeot iCockpit, with the added bonus of your cruise control and limiter features, alongside the display of your navigation to help you around those unfamiliar areas. Alongside one of two personal profiles, you do have your eco-friendly drive with your eco driving mode. Moving across, you do have your Apple CarPlay and Android connectivity alongside your variation of radio stations with your USB and iPod connection. Alongside your driving functions, you do also have the activation of your sensors and camera, complete with your 180 and zoom view mode, ideal in those tighter parking spots. You do also have your on-screen climate control for a desired temperature, and again your driving profiles, followed below by your piano black gloss keys containing driving functions. You do also have your handy charging pocket, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.